With ISIS calling the Macy's Thanksgiving Parade an excellent target, how do you keep millions of spectators safe? Now there's a new line of defense. Can you believe sanitation trucks filled with sand? These behemoth vehicles that are used to pick up garbage are now being redeployed in the war against terrorism. A barrier of trucks filled with sand were lined up bumper to bumper outside Trump Tower. Now they have a new mission, the Thanksgiving Day Parade. I spoke to former NYPD Commissioner Bernard Carrick.
They're basically used as enormous bunkers, so you can't get into certain areas. Nothing can penetrate them.
Authorities are concerned about a repeat of that monstrous truck attack in Nice, France, where 86 pedestrians were mowed down and killed by an ISIS terrorist on Bastille Day last July. In New York, the sanitation trucks filled with sand will block all side streets from the start of the Thanksgiving parade along Central Park down through the center of Manhattan all the way to the finish, 2.5 miles later at Herald Square. NYPD Deputy Commissioner John Miller.
We've ordered up 81 sand trucks, which you can ram a New York City Sanitation Department sand truck with a lot of things, but you're not going to move it.
These videos show how a security barrier filled with sand can stop a terrorist behind the wheel of a truck bent on mass destruction. Now, sanitation trucks filled with sand are the latest way to keep us safe.